Fixing natural stone with MYK LATICRETE 320 thick bed adhesive. First check if all the necessary tools are available at site for stone fixing. Take clean potable water in a mixing bowl and add MYK LATICRETE 320 to the water. Always add powder to water. Mix the adhesive with a mixing machine that has a paddle arrangement. Mix till you get a creamy and consistent adhesive mix. Do not overmix. Allow the adhesive to slake for 5 to 10 minutes before remixing and using. Ensure that the surface is clean and free from impurities. Dampen the surface with water to bring the surface to SSD condition. Take the mixed adhesive on the flat side of a notch trowel and firmly key it into screed surface. Clean the back surface of stones using a wet sponge to remove dust or wax. Apply a thin layer of adhesive on the back side of the stone. Back buttering is recommended for stones to ensure proper coverage without air pockets. Using the notch side of the trowel, notch the adhesive to get even notch marks. We have installed these stones on an adhesive bed of 15 mm. Lift the stone for every 50 square feet to check the coverage of adhesive. Place spacers to create the required grout joints. Clean the stone surface with a wet sponge as work progresses. When the stones have been set firm, remove the spacers. Do not allow traffic for 48 hours on the fixed stone surface.